Are we back in a seller's market again? I'm going to answer that question and share the number one stat you need to know to understand the direction of home prices going forward. Hi, I'm Tony Meier with Windermere Real Estate. Love to have the opportunity to serve you. I am a broker with 34 years experience and have been one of the top brokers on the east side for the last 20 years. I'm going to share with you today rates for sale and pending, months of inventory, and median price so you can understand what's happening with the marketplace. First thing we're going to talk about is interest rates. We are up just a bit from last week. Unfortunately, not good news, but still down considerably from where we were in the peaks at last quarter at 7%. Rates are still up though from last year, which is having its impacts. Second of all, homes for sale. This is good news. We are seeing inventory continue to decline. We're down 1% from last week, and we were 1,100% above 2022 a couple weeks ago. Now we're only 487%. Now, mind you, last year was just anemic on inventory, and so this is not surprising, but we are moving in the right direction. As so are we on pendings. We're up 13% from last week, still down from last year, but we are moving again in the right direction. We've come out of a hole here and we're digging our way out of it in our marketplace, and this is the number you need to know. So real estate is not a commodity, but it's subject to the laws of supply and demand. So anything under 2 months is favoring a seller, 2 to 4 months is a balanced market, 4+ months is a buyer's market. This will tell you the direction of prices. Right now, we are sitting at 1.34 months of inventory. That is moving in an upward trend for prices. We haven't been this tight since May of last year. The second half of the year was sitting at 2.5 months of inventory. If you look at the fourth quarter alone, we were sitting at 3.24 to be exact. So we are dramatically different in months of inventory, and this is going to start firming up prices. So I mentioned last week that I thought we'd seen the bottom of our marketplace, or at least hoped we had. This week continues to support that notion. So if you're a buyer and you've been waiting, it's time to stop waiting. And if you're a seller, this is good news. We're going to start to see prices firm up as we saw this last week. We were up in prices, sitting at $1,377,000, an increase of 10% from the closings of last week. And that is above the median price for December. So hopefully we'll see some increases in price when we close out the month of January this year. So if you have questions, I'm here to help. With 34 years experience, I'd love the opportunity to be your real estate broker. If you want to know more about the market, you can see our associated videos here. If you are interested in what we provide, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel know what you're interested in and how best to serve you. So that's it for now, and I look forward to talking with you next week. Take care.